Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Page of Fame. I know I haven't done a video like this in a while, and you guys are probably wondering why my PS5 is disassembled. So we're going to be installing today a Kingston Fury Renegade SSD. So pretty much we're going to be adding more storage to this thing because I need it desperately bad. It's only a terabyte. I paid like 80 bucks for it. Didn't know I needed a heat sink, so I bought that. So that's what we're going to be putting on and then putting in here. So pretty much, an easy process. You just have to get the back plate out and unscrew this in here. Take the screw out, put it to where you need it to be, and then so pretty much we're going to go from there. Pretty much going to be learning how to do this. So, how this works? This is what you do. Okay. So pretty much we do that. Okay, so now I put the heat sink on pretty much, and then now all I have to do is use the screws that are here along with the mini screwdriver that it has here. I need like 4, but right now I'm gonna do this one at a time, as obviously I do not want to get any of these screws messed up. And so pretty much this is exactly how you do it. Nice and easy. So we're gonna put this over here. So it's a relatively simple process to do. Ooh, shoot. Thank God I got way more. Thank God it comes with a lot, because as you just saw, that was not my best work. Like if it only came with 4, I'd be screwed. Not really, because I just picked it up. I just hate that the screws are so tiny, but it does do what it's supposed to do. Screws them in. I'm sure it's under there. These are like literally the world's tiniest screws. But this is gonna give us, I hate when metal does that. It is gonna give us an extra gigabyte, which I don't know if you guys if you guys have noticed, I'm sorry, you only get 686 gigabytes of actual usable storage, as the rest is used for the PS software. So not great that PlayStation did that when Xbox offered a terabyte off the bat. We're hoping that PlayStation will learn its lesson next time and not ever launch a console again with the obviously mistakes that it made. Obviously, I must have did this wrong, because now the SSD does not want to do that. Not want to work. So that is where we put our investigative hat on and figure out why I put it on wrong. Which, if you're wondering, I cannot tell you. But this is the magic of doing your own work. Well, obviously nobody's gonna do it for you, so obviously you do it yourself. But if you were doing like a PC build, you wouldn't need a heat sink for it, because that's why you obviously have fans. So you wouldn't necessarily need it, so it would cool the motherboard down like a big fan, and then you would have like other fans to dissipate heat. So that's like the main difference between the PlayStation. The PlayStation needs a heatsink because it doesn't have a fan that cools it, so it needs a way to dissipate heat without needing to do that. And then I can just do that. No, I still need to poke. So it has to be like that. Yeah, because it's still. But I'm probably gonna edit a lot of this out, so you guys won't have to be here for this back-breaking work. Damn it, bro. This is way work than it was last time. This is annoying. This is why I wish I bought a WD black or one that already came with a heat sink. And if you're wondering if there are options, yes, there are options that already come with a heat sink. My smart self didn't do that, which obviously would have obviously been a lot easier and cleaner of a process than doing it a manual way of putting on a heat sink. But you know, such is life, and I'm just praying that this works, because if not, I'm gonna get rid of all this, everything is all back, and just buy one with a heat sink. Yay life, right? That's what I thought would happen. It's still lifting. Can't have it lifting. So you always want to make sure that it can't lift, because obviously if it lifts, you're going to be out of luck. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to put the plate back. Uh-oh, we may be in trouble. Oh, no. Thank God. Woo! And now it's pretty much all screws except for 2. On that. Yeah, all that. We're gonna throw all this away. Probably wondering why I'm doing that. Don't want it. And obviously this is really hard to put back, but it's a necessary evil. As much as I hated it, putting it in the front. You can hear a clicking noise. There we go. Now, put it up here. Connect the rest. So now that we've connected everything, let's see how this whole ordeal had went. I know it has to do with this reboot process. See if it pulls up the formatting tab, which means if it says the formatting, means that we're good to go. It means that it worked. Ooh, this is not looking good, folks. Nope. Oh man. So it didn't work. I guess we're gonna have to find something that does work. Yep. Oh man. All right. So guys, I finally got it to format. It took so long to freaking format this, but it is finally shows up on the home screen. Formatting, it is formatting. It took me so long to do that. And the good thing is, since now it is formatted, I can now freaking do what I needed to do, which means I can add games to this SSD, 1 terabyte, free and clear. So happy. This worked out. So we go here and bam, 1.01 terabytes of Kingston Fury storage. So now I can finally do this. They're both gonna go there, which is awesome. So any new game I download, which there will be, which you guys can see here in the collection, can now go to that NVMe drive, and it'll be able to stay on, which is perfect for what I really want, which is being able to play games whenever the heck I want. I don't have many games currently that I would even put on it, but it is nice to know I have it now. I've beaten a lot of these games already, but I'll put one of them on there just so you guys will be able to see and stuff. But the PS5 version, like this. It was now added, and Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered that plays like trash. Hopefully that doesn't play like trash anymore. Then Resident Evil Reverse, I can play, I don't want that. But yeah, so that pretty much should get you guys exactly knowing what to do here. So some new games, as you can see here, Destiny 2 is downloading. So it's going to download on the NVMe drive, which again is going to be located when you go to storage and right here. And you guys can see here, these are the two games that are going to be downloading, and they equal 156 gigabytes. That's mostly because of Destiny 2, but awesome. And you can change your installation to whichever one. And I can also use USB extended storage to play PS5 games on extended storage, copy them back to the console storage from your game library. Copying games from the USB extended storage is faster than reinstalling games. You can also install PS4 games to USB extended storage and play them directly from there, which I do plan on getting as well, is getting a SSD just for this. Is going to be another terabyte, so there's going to be games downloaded onto that SSD strictly for PS4 games. Yeah, so that's going to be rerouted for PS4 games. But make sure to like and subscribe, hit notification bell. This took a long time and it was well needed to get this done. But make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching my latest video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.